akokora ni di na ne yawo na computer na papa de to no wodi so be fa di nre ya o Tanko Computer Tanko Computer media ye we ni ade no obi anankrofo yese onie yes one na ya gifek Ghana investment ye de ben for electronic de ben and one ne de na koto ano it gifek pani no na ye share Dr. ATM DRC na mo se nkola ne bi yese ane Dr. Tanko Computer wo ye ne ade wono so ne credentials wo so ye doctor fire na man for hwedi no say Dr. Beya and when your doctor ni free here and no more yenom so wo so konya no university be a friend Kings now University na dani famiko in 2016 on the 11th of December ya to abawi 4 days pepe and no announce say wonu de ya lose election no NDC lose election still wonu de wonya PhD etinani age na ewura ho hey men kan sisu bia say we no ye waye pani wem say no for baby na president mama sake no okay na ko fi why ne ade president mama sa baby o no de nam no ne medin the Dr. Tanko Computer Dr. Tanko Hanji we 2016 on the 11th no say comrades today I have mixed feelings. We have just lost a crucial elections which has taken a toll on me. Still figuring out what really went wrong. Emotionally disturbed. 2. Kings Now University has conferred on Tanko Rashid the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Tienyo was it Doctor of Philosophy? And then you do 2025 one. A free Doctor of Philosophy. Ababaye only Doctor of Public Administration. So I say Kings Now University has conferred on Rashid Tanko Tanko Rashid the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Public Administration and all the rights and privileges thereunto appertaining. Profonso there. In witness, therefore, this degree duly signed has been issued and the seal of university affixed, presented on the first day of September 2016. Hey. Alhamdulillah. Allah is great. I thank my family and Professor Alex for the support that got me this far. It shall be now Professor. Professor Dia. Yanka Professor Alex. Abi. If say my professor or supervisor, my thesis, my masters in international relations and diplomacy. Your friend Professor Beta Wedie. It is a me addressing her. Either say me boni dini and now I will stick to a surname. So Professor Wedie, you don't say Professor Alex. What is Professor Alex? And you are more young what the doctor na nemwa obi ana nemwa na abedu headquarters say doctor no nya no kure na mbisom so e yade ntina na nya no kure no mso ojo mama buy no wasa appointing say any Dr. Tanko Rashid Computer na minim say typewriter say obe free computer about typewriter ye be wie case when we free ho eti case now no ewo he oh, I say US. It's young follow. You would ever call near Korea Kenson now. Say school in a way. If it's a master's or Gimpa, it is a mechira. Gimpa, a reputable institution like Gimpa. Or mobile a year, your friend say, website. In modern times, there is no way any university that conducts manners. So, yeah, yes, okay, young Kenson now, no baby a war. And your boy, yeah. Now, we know Danny. Kings Now University Crunch Base Yabaha, you wait to chance. So, yeah, near Kings Now. Ave your Kings Now, yeah, Emma. It did a Google search resource of Kings Now. Ave your Kings Now, Emma. Yabo Emma. I know I know so. A case na no baby any day be them were online. And to what now? PhD were online. Coffee a PhD. A serious business. 3 years of was what you online. Afe online no near say yamfa enkeka ho. It you call Google. Near say Kings Now University in London. Ama Kings Now Online University. Ama hwe ni wo Google ma hwe o. Where somewhere April. You shall say a question no iba me ni ade no. Afe ya hwehwe ya hwehwe. Ani Afe yakwa Kingston University in America, in USA. Afe USA the ankwado say there is not a university named Kingston in the United States. Me wa papa nso say Kingston in the United States. The man a doctor no, PhD. Hey, Kofi, na yebusa J-Tech say, and I know mutimi churo krata. Ekoma guta penny. Say mo nyusu doctor. If so nyanya eni bia no a your friend a doctor. Na we no Kingston adie, wo mo be kan ho bibia na. And a political class in the nyama ne ko. Enti wo mo ye na Tanko typewriter. Wo ye no say eni mo san ko hwehwe bio. Afa ye didimu a dani nya we fabra. After one day, you're sorry, getting to the end of a year, May no. The only answer website be a PA. Now you're afraid you're Kingston now a year university no when your website. Yes, Yanshiranke Adi. Now no one see at Teno. It is spy noir. Said doctor, Kingston are not bow. Afe Kofi, Yanshe. Say Afe Kingston University no aban. Miraculously. Osha the domain that is we are almost Abia Gempa Mitiai Semeka a Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration it's a gempa.edu.gh. There is nowhere any serious university bia say or pay a year a website or pay a kingsnow.com. Offer Temple University, they will tell you maybe templeuniversity.usa.edu.bb. So, say, hey, Kingston University and your website. But quickly, say, a Kingston University.wordpress. Yes, hey. WordPress, serious university, and what the WordPress, I got to so. Dr. Typewriter, you have a question. I've heard you move more than it should be. You won't say a website in a core off. Obano question now miraculously one way your website in Wajma. So after a cut off, after share website na won na ye frɛ eye bibi crunch base as will be create website obetime the website na de na kohyem na akyerɛ wo na ebekyerɛ even the back end omo a eye omo dia time a ye create time a ye twro enema a ye twro dia ye say ye no na da sani hyɛ mu create Kingston University no website it ye de share crunch base mu and ye say one kyerɛ ye the create website ehemfa na ye create no ani ade na crunch base say back end ni details our modi ye ni say one Tanko Computer no na twro ade omo sa anya smart if say mo ye smart ya university bia no wo create ade obey ni see precisely more fire Jana, and you go soon here, near monitor mo. All of a sudden, now website Nasaba. It's where a crunch base. I want my back end and information. Now, surprisingly, almost your website and the Bayer Kofi. What do you know your website? 30th May. And so details of a year website no a year Kingston University website. Yeah, the 30th May, 30th May. It will share a year, important dates. Dates the website was created. That is 30th May 2025. Date of expiry. Because Omuto WordPress for, and it's a cheap domain. Anybody, maybe it's me a Kotona with the WordPress, but there are two WordPress for domains. Okay? After expiry, so or turn for 1 year. Expiry date, 30th May 2026. University, our website, expire in 1 year. Hey! Tanko Computer. Now, if you add a by force says some of your doctors, I didn't this for Mugum when master. I don't know. Kobe, I didn't this go when master. We don't go president in now, what would him the India? Because Omuka say MPP, a book long for party, and now you are almost on a dear idea. Now, instead so mobile fat channel no so. Esua de nya credentials no. Ene omo nyo. Na fe ye wie ye no ano. Omo dimirika sam ye doctor. Be ye say. Now oni a friend say. Umaru Sanda. Ekasa wo city. Yebekwa ne akwakotie. So yebusa doctor Tanko typewriter, computer. Say, doctorate unya ne way. What you doing diagro? Kensina University. Online. And I your doctorate. Kensina. Dr. Tanko Computer. After man for no kokaya. Was it the people asking him for accountability? Hey, idiots. The people are idiots. And so your mama should create a code of conduct. And the should be measured and they should be accountable. When the people are questioning your PhD, also idiots. And the creative Kensina University website, 30th May, I didn't know doctorate in 2016. Tina website in ho. Your question on a website about. Where typewriter. No wonder the computer come. Tanko day. 2 piece near day. No, I shoot 2 piece jalabia. The picture bako. Tanko 2 piece. So, General, Mumia Musa question. Tanko Computer, come on, just saw the idea. Come and show us. You are a public officer. You are accountable to the people. Oh, yeah, now, so wouldn't need doctorate. I mean, come on, by force. Is it by force to have doctorate? But what the questionable doctorate about here, then we must be able to question you.
Precisely so.
Then also, you see, we are idiots. If it's your mama buying a certain now, surprisingly, Mama Musa, a honorable member of a parliament for a dress in Dumase. Kofi, a dress in Dumase, member of parliament. Mumusa the question. Some may say, our master's degree are now only be. Kofi, Mona mo question me ko Afrifa. Educational credentials. Mashada na me yamusa. Me se Mona mo question me educational credentials. And the records are there mon kon check it. Enfante pem medical bocracy alidin. No ni nua no mon kan kire mo. Ana ma boni din. Anthony de Shark Express yi. Eye na dia ma boni din. Me na Enfante pem campus. Manuel Soya, me Manuel Soya na Enfante pem campus. Me Daniel Dazi of a year. BBC Daniel Dazi no other mesuro Bama Kwalo Dom Court 6 Daniel Dazi BBC no other mesuro say formerly of Joy FM Mumisa Daniel Dazi me shada me say mo me we mo adwene precisely ayi degree so me ne kasum scenario na ewie ye kasum ya NDC ni mapa mon konko bisa kasum scenario me ne honorable member of parliament for ye secretary from place ayi Nasira Afra and a tena classroom we Wamo ye no mse containers bi ayira ECG containers nya haya yani who was a video no a minister na de ba say ECG containers na ayira bome ye ni entie why ECG containers ayira nya sa okay so video dey for report no to show ECG containers ayira over 1,300 ECG containers with total value of $675 million missing at Temaport ne ye nyina why he container General container ne why ye nyina ebusa bi be betra ka kire mo se container bia nyirai o say ede bibia ye okay montia na meka kire se container bia nyirai na ye settings yes sir ya ni ade na omukwachi nkrofo bi si ya che Chinese fo bi General wam si ya che Chinese fo Kofi ya che Chinese fo se wo mo na awiawia container cable so no emi akwakyere cable so no kwa baby omo yisu bi busa question say na container ayira 2024 na nipa ultimate na wa se brabeche me in 2025 around March February na nipa no na adwene nyesa enso mo adwene hanti mugidi ene de aba ne se container ne se ne bia nyira na nipa chofa kire wo mo Ghana Web Report no container is missing in fact container kwa ya se hu de eboro so 2,300 and something hey container ne se call ayi baaye no etuko Burkina baaye no aboro so wow me dem adie me hunu yusu ba ye free maso bayi enti na question bi busa ne se Kofi eti China for no mkwache wo mo no na die container no mkwache ye no yakosua so se container bi anyira China for no yakwache wo mo ye de kebu su gu wo mo ho no No, cables ben and no more we are no. Yes, a settings na. Settings are buying. That what's the container 8,300 naira, and the BM say 2,300 or something quite fine it. Wow. And mother Sujia by Kwapias for. Yeah, 1,000 plus.
1,000 plus.
A settings. Na mo kaya almost any gold board dey ba me sha second one sem and o mo kuka say o makochi India fo bi so o mo smuggle gold. Hey, one month later ya chase am jamfi no masa kochi say India fo kro no asa entade kro no na menim so mo ni India ne China fo ahihye hu say we mo chi wo mo somewhere the same time. Omuni magwi di agro se munimu a omuni doctor editor ene ye hwan ene ne nam omuni se di si editor doctor ATM doctor ATM eti medical ka kire mo aban ne se container na esi aba e ba ne kwa na se nyini enya interest e bia be ka ho etutu aban and confirm to na de and confirm to a container shoot to aban
fly away.
It's a scam government.
Precisely.
Na inframa bebo ama akokɔ ne to ɛho ada hɔ. Na go fi yɛn free ha. Na yɛnkɔ Israel ase. I'm telling you. Ba do hu besi wodi si yebetu. Oyi no free ho wia. Me ye masters no. Me sani nipa de ye.
Exactly.
Ka kyerɛ mo. Professor Beta Hwedie. And Professor Mauku Gempa. Omo ne supervisor me works. Professor Mauku. International Relations and Diplomacy. You akonya bayi marriage certificate wa mubu no. Kwasieto. Ono tibi ka kyerɛ mo say ko Afrifa no enko suku. Oni degrees and you believe nonsense. Now I am pursuing a LLB. That is law. We are messa pursue masters in law. I will get all the credentials. I'm telling you. Now, if a address a Juma say, member of parliament, go friends, go be. You busan a question. Who masters? And now need masters. Now, call a year MPs for website. Obi MPs for website, and I'm going to be charitable because we don't know be a minimum personal. And I want to give you the benefit of the doubt. Say it be a mistake. And I share hope. Now, Oko a year MPs for platforms who are a year member of parliament, Bawa Mohammed Brahma, a Jurassic Dumase, and they was say Okura a year MBA from Almond Institute Graduate School of Governance and Leadership. The Ben Wonyana was it June 2020. With the TOCA. We was over basic education, LA number 3 middle school, 1974, GCE ordinary level, Tamale secondary, and we was over BSc in here, Bachelors of Science, 10 years. Me who ye, aka udika ye degree, and said we masters. Now, on the also masters in 2020, and our Bachelors of a year, public administration, Bachelors of Science in public administration. And I did public administration as my first degree. So if you and I know when we you obey June 2025. So we are questioning him. Honorable, how did you manage to get a master's before a degree that you will complete in 2025? So please, maybe it's a mistake. Other than that, I know what I know. So we will come back again next week and we will deal with you. Dr. Grace Ayensu, and we will come back to that. Now we are setting the record straight. That's a Muslim people you book long for. Munya mo comrades semwa. Mo pesa munya a titles on this one. And you munko school for it. Nobody should be doing what they are doing. You are disgracing John Dramani Mahama.
Precisely.
You are disgracing him.
Exactly. So,
Gobi, they are disgracing John Dramani Mahama. And we will hold them accountable.
Exactly.
Gobi, we will hold them accountable.
No.
Media. Atinti wuro ntaa me tu. Entro mu twa to me so me se with time. Ebra ne besesa. Me ne na me yeda me sheda na me mo. Yi me suku no class me sheda na me de mu di agro. Ene ma sha ase bobo mu di. Mo koko busa. Mashasi me mashada na mbobo mu di. Mashada pa. Akoya woto nyom Frank Guilford abebe. Many a baby na na one fantim campus. Go and ask a baby.
Fire.
Frank Guilford. You were born Yanana no type was a year Jumapa. Abeye Yana catchri for Yambo type. Yanana no type was the year Jumapa. Abeye Yana catchri for Yambo type. And when Kwaboche Yamisku. Kwaboche Yawusku. Yenisuku bia konya mechaza ya waranie wonsom woni nipa na se wanya wana beye yanya emori ye na the original song no de eno ewo ho Mr. Liar music man ono sori anopa bia na me bo bass no de me gina ha eno ne ye dwenhwe kan enuyanom dwenhwe kan enuyanom Jenshkai enuyanom enuyanom yambo type yana nombo type was yajuma pa abeye yana kachiri for yambo type yana nombo type was yajuma pa abeye yana kachiri for yambo type Yambo type, da be ye can,